Hi there, my name is Al. I'm from yogagangia.com, and today in this video we're doing Yoga Nidra, breathing, and it's approximately 15 minutes long. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I also leave a tip of the day at the end of every video, so don't forget to grab that as well. So come down onto your back on a flat surface. Make yourself as comfortable as possible in Shavasana. If it's cold, cover yourself with a blanket, but no cushions or pillows under your head. Okay. Legs apart, spine straight. Create space under your armpits. Take the arms to the side, palms facing up. Nose pointing to the ceiling. Relax your feet. Take a deep breath and deliberately sigh it out through your mouth. And softly close your eyes. And make any adjustments you need to make right now. During Yoga Nidra and Shavasana, there is no movement, and we keep our eyes closed. Close your eyes and keep them strictly closed until you are told to open them. Take a deep breath, and as you breathe out, feel the cares and worries of the day flow out of you. In the practice which follows, you are going to develop the feeling of relaxation in the body. It is not necessary to make movements or deliberately relax your muscles. Simply develop the feeling of relaxation. It is like the feeling you have just before sleep. When relaxation becomes deep, sleep does come. But you should try to keep yourself completely awake. This is very important. Make a resolution to yourself now that I will not sleep. I will remain awake throughout the practice. During Yoga Nidra, you are functioning on the levels of hearing and awareness. And the only important thing is to follow the voice. You must not try to intellectualize or analyze the instructions, as this will disturb your mental relaxation. Simply follow the voice with total attention and feeling. And if thoughts come to disturb you from time to time, do not worry. Just continue the practice. Now bring about a feeling of inner relaxation in the whole body. Concentrate on the body and become aware of the importance of complete stillness. Develop your awareness of the body from the top of the head to the tips of the toes. Complete stillness and complete awareness of the whole body. The whole body. The whole body. Become aware of the fact that you are going to practice Yoga Nidra. Say mentally to yourself, I am aware. I am going to practice Yoga Nidra. Repeat this to yourself again. The practice of Yoga Nidra begins now. At this moment, you should make your resolve. The resolve will have to be very simple. Try to discover one naturally. You must develop a resolve to say at this time. It should be a short, positive statement in simple language, stated 3 times with awareness, feeling and emphasis. For example, I am energetic, or I am successful in all that I undertake, or I am loving and loved. Try to discover one naturally. State your resolve now 3 times. Become aware of your breath. Feel the flow of your breath in and out of your lungs. Do not try to change the rhythm. The breathing is natural, automatic. You are doing nothing. There is no effort. Maintain awareness of your breath. Complete awareness of breath. Now concentrate your awareness on the movement of your navel area. Concentrate on your navel movements. Your navel is rising and falling slightly with every breath. With each and every breath, it expands and contracts. Concentrate on this movement in synchronization with your breath. Now start counting your breaths backwards from 27 to 1. Like this. 27 navel rising, 27 navel falling, 26 navel rising, 26 navel falling, 25 navel rising, 25 navel falling, and so on. Say the words and numbers mentally to yourself as you count your breaths. Be sure that you don't make a mistake. If you do, you must go back to 27 and start again. With total awareness that you are counting, go on counting from 27 to 1. Now, stop your counting of the navel breath and shift your attention to the chest. Please shift to the chest. Your chest is rising and falling slightly with each and every breath. Become aware of this. Continue concentrating on the movement of the chest and start counting backwards from 27 to 1. In the same way as before. 27 chest rising, 27 chest falling, 26 chest rising, 26 chest falling, 25 chest rising, 25 chest falling, and so on. Again, repeat the words and numbers mentally to yourself as you count. No mistakes. If you make a mistake, you must go back to the start again, to 27. Continue counting 27 to 1. Cease your counting of the chest breaths and move your awareness to the throat. Please move to the throat. Become aware of your breath moving in and out of the throat. Become aware of this. Concentrate on the movement of the breath and start counting backwards from 27 to 1 in the same way as before. Complete awareness of counting and the breath. No sleeping, please. Just total awareness that you are counting. Keep on counting your breaths in the throat. Stop counting and go now to the nostrils. Become aware of the breath moving in and out of the nostrils. Concentrate on the movement of the breath in and out of the nostrils and start counting as before. You know it very well by now. 27 breathing in, 27 breathing out. Complete awareness. Keep on counting the breath at the nostrils. Stop your counting and leave your breathing. Now is the time to repeat your resolve. Repeat the same resolve that you made at the beginning of the practice. Do not change it. Repeat the resolve 3 times with full awareness and feeling. Relax all efforts. Draw your mind outside and become aware of your breathing. Become aware of the natural breath. Awareness of the whole body and awareness of breathing. Your body is lying totally relaxed on the floor. You are breathing quietly and slowly. Develop awareness of your body from the top of the head to the tips of the toes. Become aware of the floor and the position of your body lying on the floor. Visualize the space around you. Become aware of your surroundings. Lie quietly for some time and keep your eyes closed. Start moving your body and stretching yourself. Please take your time. Do not hurry. When you are sure that you are wide awake, turn slowly onto your side and stay there for a few breaths. And use your top hand to push yourself up into sitting. Thank you. Tip of the day. Now the tip, if you do meditation or Yoga Nidra and you really want to get into that space quicker, do pranayama, any breathing technique that you are familiar with. Do that just before you lie down. I like using alternative nostril breathing, but any breathing technique that you are familiar with or on which level you are. If you're not familiar with pranayama, I'll leave the link in the description box below, so go see out the playlist for pranayama and just make sure you'll see that you have to practice certain breathing techniques before you can do others. It's just like anything else, your lungs just needs to get used to and getting stronger and so on. Okay, and thank you for watching, and I hope you all feel refreshed and relaxed. And don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy this video, and feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Ariom Tat Sat.